All right, I'm going to do this in two videos. One is just for the rectangular prisms, number 9 and 10, and then I'll let you do number 2 on your own. And then I'm going to do a separate video on the triangular prisms, 3 and 4. I'll let you try number 7 and 8 on your own. After all those, number 5 and 6 should be okay for you, but you can ask me about those and I can give you more. All right, rectangular prisms. So there's a couple pieces of vocabulary, and you might already know these from doing the other lessons, but the lateral area. The lateral area would be the sides, and I'm kind of, here we go, finding a box here quick, would be the sides around the outside, so not counting the top and the bottom. So if you, there we go, think about a box here. All right, there's my box. The lateral area will be all of the sides, so not the top and the bottom. And we're going to add up all the area of all those sides. So we're going to ignore the top, we're going to ignore the bottom, just going to look at the sides. That's going to be the lateral area. In this case, let's see, we've got a 12 by 12 on the front, 12 by 12 on the side, a 12 by 12 on the back, and a 12 by 12 on the other side. So if I look at all 4 sides around the outside of that cube, they're all 12 by 12. Well, 12 times 12, so 12 times 12 equals 144. So that's the area of one square. That's the front square here. The side square is also going to be 144. The back square, 144. The other side, 144. So there's 4 sides around the outside of that cube, all 144. If you do 144 times 4, you're going to get something. I don't know, 576. Yes. And sure enough, that is one of the options, 576 square inches. Square inches. You might also see that labeled as inches squared like that. It's the same thing. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's how you find the lateral area. The only difference, sorry, going back here, number 2, when I ask you about the total area. So now you'd still need to find the lateral area. You need to find the area of each face here on number 2. So 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 5 by 2, 3 by 5. Or excuse me, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 5 by 2. Okay. The only difference between the lateral area and the total area is now we're going to include the top and the bottom. So we already know the 4 sides around the outside. That's 576. To find the total area, we're going to add the top and the bottom. So this is the 4 outside. This is the lateral area, 4 squares around the outside. If we add the top, which happens to be 12 by 12 again for this one, because it's a cube, and the bottom, we're going to get 864 square inches. And that's how you find the total area. So this is the lateral area. The total area, you're going to add the top and the bottom. Okay, hopefully that helps clear up how to find the difference between the lateral area and the total area. On a rectangular prism, you find the 4 rectangles around the outside for the lateral area. For the total area, you add the top and the bottom.